Hello! We're hanging out in our new shed. I got some covers over the window real quick because that's really blinding. But, yeah, it's really cold in here. That's not a vape. God, it's cold in here. Let's check out the new pad, fam. I got all my stuff in here now. So there's my Hot Wheel tracks over there you probably haven't ever seen. There's my front bumper on a car that no longer... Yeah, there's my desk over there made of cabinets donated by my dearest brother, who has given me better cabinets than my own house. But that's okay, because that's the outside right now. It's really cold out there. As you can see, it is dangerously cold. So Jorge and I, Georgie over here, just doing some testing. And the first major issue that I see is if you can look down there, you see that? That's snow. That's not from me opening the door. That's just from being a door. Those are holes in the door. Ain't got no power out here yet, but that's all right because we got our motion sensing activated lights that turn on automatically because they're fancy. And we out here trying to make stuff work because honestly, this is going to be the new stream zone, you know? But definitely need to get that insulation thing taken care of because, you know. Yeah. I am thirsty, okay? I don't want to drive in this right now because I really don't feel like it. So I'm going to do one better. We're going to walk. I hope you're ready, because it's gonna get cold. Out, but like it's fine. I mean, the roads are a bit gnarly, I'll give you that for sure. The wind's a bit blowy, but you know, it's honestly fine. Once you get past the fact that you can't feel your nose after about 4 seconds, you're fine. And the snow you gotta trudge through, you're okay. It's fine. Don't even worry about it. It's a good time on the random cars that come sliding around the edge. Yeah, in case anyone was wondering, yes, I am freezing my ass off. No, George is not affected by this almost at all. So much so that he's got his tongue out panting as we're running along because he completely is oblivious to how cold it is. Because for anyone who doesn't know, Akitas are Japanese mountain dogs that were bred to survive in extreme colds. So this is basically nothing. There you go. So I just walked into the 7-Eleven and apparently they've lost power and they're cash only right now. So, and I don't have any cash. So we kind of just low-key just went for a walk for nothing. So there's that. There is another little like local party store up the street here. Probably like 2 or 3 blocks. I think that might be like a downed power line right there. You see that hanging on the pole there? I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's like a wire hanging down. I don't know. It's fine. Everyday stuff. It's fine. So I have arrived at the designated area, which is quite cold. And that's okay. I've gotten used to it. You can tell it's been a while because the bells are going off. So that's a good sign. Also, we're at the Avenue Party Store. So that's gonna be fun. Hopefully they still take card. Well, they took card because she said they had a generator. So that was cool. And I'm able to get my NOS, which is what I came out here for in the first place. Plus to give my dog a walk. after that teeth shattering experience, I have both all the ice in my beard I can handle and my can of NOS. So yeah, if you're NOS and you're watching this, sponsor me, because I just went for that long ass walk just to get that, and I really wanted that. So yeah, my face is really red. But anyways, we're gonna go back to work now with the shed. So stay tuned for more updates. And ta-ta for now.